In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to insert multiple rows in one go. For this demo, we're going to use this shippers table. Let's have a quick look at the table definition. So here we have two columns, shipper ID and name. Shipper ID is a primary key. It's not nullable, and it's an auto-incremented column. So we're going to let MySQL generate values for this column. Easy. We only need to supply a value for the name column. So back to our query editor window, we type out insert into shippers. In parentheses, we specify the name of the columns we want to insert values into. In this case, name, followed by the values clause. Here we add a pair of parentheses with a value like shipper1. Now, to insert multiple rows, all you have to do is to add a comma followed by another pair of parentheses. So shipper2, and one more time, comma, parentheses, shipper3. This is how you can insert multiple rows in one go. Now let's execute this statement. All right. And then inspect the data in the shippers table. There you go. So initially we had only 5 shippers, and here are the 3 new shippers that we inserted. Note that MySQL automatically generated the values for the shipper ID column. So we have 6, 7, and 8. All right, here's your exercise for this tutorial. Write a statement to insert 3 rows in the products table. That's pretty easy. You can knock it out in a minute. So here's our products table. We only have 4 columns. We're going to leave out the first column because it's an auto-incremented column. So we only have to supply values for name, quantity, and unit price. Back to our query editor window. Let's insert into products. The columns are name, quantity in stock, and unit price. And the values are going to be, let's say product 1, stock is going to be 10, and the unit price is going to be 1.95. Now I'm going to select these values, copy, comma, paste it like this, change the values accordingly, and finally the last row, product 3. There you go. Let's execute this statement. All right, and then verify the result. So in the products table, now we should have 3 new records. Now the IDs you see here are 15, 16, and 17, because before recording this video, I actually inserted a few records in this table and then deleted them. So I had product IDs 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now, even though they're actually deleted from this table, MySQL remembers their IDs. So instead of incrementing 10 by 11, it incremented 14, which was the last record from before, and that's why it generated 15. On your computer, the IDs are going to be 11, 12, and 13.